Oh, nasan dito, baby, yung 5? Nasan dyan ang 5, baby? Hanap mo ang 5. Nasaan? Nasaan ang 5? Turo mo. Yun, very good. Oh, ano daw yung sheep? Oh, bilang natin yung sheep.
1, 2.
Oh, nasan dito yung number 2, baby? Hanap mo yung 2. Very good. Oh, itong moon. Hanap natin.
Ang ball?
Oo, sige, ball.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, nasan dito yung tree, baby? Very good. How about the moon? This is the moon. Oh.
Ball?
Okay, ball. Oh, count.
1, 2, 3. 2.
Ano? Count again.
1,
1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Oh, where's the number 4 dito? Hanap mo. Nasa na number 4? Very good. How about the, count mo naman tong star.
1.
Oh, 1 only. Oh, nasan dito ang 1? Nasaan ang 1? Okay, how about this? 0. Nasaan ang 0 dito, bebe? Very good. Oh, clap your hands, baby. Okay. 3, 4. Count ka. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. O, nasan dito ang number 9, baby? Nasaan ang 9? 9. Very good. Oh, here naman, here. Ruler. Count the ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, nasan dyan ang 6? Hanap mo number 6, baby. 6, baby. 6, no. Yes, this is the 6. Oh, count mo yung apple. Start ka ng 1. Oh. Oh, count the apple, baby. Count ka.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples.
4, hindi pa. Meron pa. 4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
oh, 8.
8 apples.
Oh, where's the number 8 dito, bebe?
8.
Oo, bebe. Nasaan na number 8?
8.
Yes.
This.
Very good, baby. How about the crayons?
Sulat?
Yes, sulat. Oh. Oh. Count natin yung 8, crayons, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
oh, nasan dito ang number 10, bebe? Very good. Oh, the last. Notebook. Oh. Oh, count natin ang notebook, ha?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, where is the number 7 here, baby? Hanap mo 7. Very good, baby. Clap your hands again. Good job.